Prick up your ears, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression, prick up your ears. This phrase might sound a bit odd at first, but it's a colorful part of the English language. We'll explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. So, let's get started and prick up your ears for an interesting lesson. Prick up your ears is an idiomatic expression that means to listen carefully or attentively. The phrase is often used when someone wants to emphasize the importance of paying close attention to what is being said. It's derived from the behavior of animals, especially dogs or rabbits, that raise their ears when they are alert or listening intently to sounds around them. When we use this phrase in English, we're essentially encouraging someone to be as attentive as these animals by metaphorically pricking up their ears. The phrase, prick up your ears, has its roots in the natural world, drawing a parallel with how animals react to their surroundings. Historically, the term prick referred to the sharp movement or raising of the ears, signifying alertness or interest. Over time, this animal behavior was anthropomorphized into the English language as a way to express the act of listening intently. This expression has been part of the English lexicon for centuries, showcasing the language's ability to evolve and incorporate imagery from everyday observations into communication. To help you understand how to use prick up your ears in conversation, here are a few examples. 1. In a meeting, there's going to be an announcement about the new project, so prick up your ears. 2. In a classroom setting, this next part of the lecture is crucial for your exams, so I suggest you prick up your ears. 3. Among friends discussing a movie plot, you won't want to miss this twist, so prick up your ears. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, whether formal or informal, to draw attention to the importance of listening attentively. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, prick up your ears. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting expression, its origins, and how you can use it to enrich your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is all about discovery and practice, so don't hesitate to prick up your ears whenever you have the chance to learn something new. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.